Now here, I think, you know, on because the human level, I usually, you see, share with people the ultimate source of peace of mind, happiness in mental level is within ourselves, not money, not power, not status. Some of my friends, maybe billionaire, very rich, but as a person, very unhappy person. The plenty of money fail to bring inner peace. And also those people who are very powerful, I think in deep inside, a lot of anxiety, a lot of sort of stress, a lot of fear, distrust. So material value will not bring real inner joyfulness or inner peace. So the only thing is affection or warm-heartedness. That really brings inner strength, self-confidence. That reduces fear. That develops friendship, trust. Trust brings friendship. We are a social animal. The genuine cooperation among each other is very necessary. Genuine cooperation entirely based on trust. Trust is there. Then, naturally bring together. So therefore, once you see within yourself, more compassionate mind, warm-heartedness, whole atmosphere become more positive, more friendly. Through that way, you see, when you look at the front, yes, you feel, oh, my friend. Look this side, oh, friend. This side also. If you keep here fear, distrust, and you yourself make little distance from other, then that person look here, oh, little suspicion, distrust, more cautious. Look here, again cautious. Look here, again cautious. As a result, deep inside, lonely feeling. Then the problem, blood pressure, too much stress, all these come. One occasion, I think in New York, Columbia University or something, there's one sort of conference with medical scientists. Yesterday, also I mentioned, at that conference, one medical scientist in his sort of was a presentation, right? He mentioned those people who express often I, my, mine, like that. So such people have greater chance or greater risk of heart attack. He didn't explain why, but I felt it is quite true, as I mentioned earlier. Deep inside, fear, distrust, and you yourself always remain a little distance from the rest of the human brothers, sisters. That brings loneliness. And then difficult to communicate with other human beings. After all, you are a social animal. You are part of the community. You have to deal with them. But the very factor which your interest or your future depend, because of your own inner weakness, you yourself isolate from them. How can that person be a happy person? So more worry, more stress. Sometimes I describe there's too much self-centered attitude, too much selfish. Close our inner door. Through that way, difficult to communicate with other fellow human beings. Once develop more sort of sense of concern of well-being of other brothers, sisters, then inner door automatically open. And very easy to communicate with other people. Irrespective whether believer or non-believer, these quality or potential from birth we already have.